Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and in this video, I'm going to share three ways you can help lock your hair faster. So stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
Okay guys, if you like this comment, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and hit subscribe. I would love to hear from you, and I welcome your comments. Just keep it positive, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. But in this video, we are talking about three ways you can get your hair to lock faster. Now, you may be surprised by number one. And I can't vouch for everybody's hair type and porosity and all that. I just know what helped me lock within the first 3 to 4 months. I was locked, okay? I was locked and loaded, okay? I was locked, okay? And that is, are you ready? Let me get closer. You ready? Wash your hair. That's all. Wash your hair. Just wash your hair. In fact, with washing your hair, I actually went to the beach. Now, I know we're all in Corona, in the pandemic, the pandemic, the panic attack or whatever. We're in it, okay, now. But when I started in October 2019, okay? And so before all of this happened, I went to the beach. And I got my hair thoroughly wet in the seawater, in the ocean water, in the salt water. And my hair started to lock after that. Add to the fact that I wash my hair pretty regularly. Now, I started my hair lock journey with 2-strand twists. And they would unravel, but I would wash it. And I'd leave it. Now, as a loose natural for many years, I knew my hair was dying to lock. People would ask me, and I would just have the 2-strand twist in for several weeks. They'd be like, "You trying to lock your hair?" No. And when I would take it out, it was already trying to lock, because guess what I would do? I would wash my hair while I had them in the twists. The same thing, you just wash your hair and don't ever take the twist out. That's it. Just wash your hair, okay? Now, some of them are going to unravel, so you just twist them back up. It's not that hard. As you can tell, the consistency of your hair will straighten out. So even though I started with 2-strand twists, you can only see that at the very end of it. So it'll eventually blend and meld to where they look like a lock, okay? But it might take a minute to do that, okay? That's my first thing. Wash your hair, get your hair wet. Oh, well, that's my third thing. Okay, second thing, all of these have to do with water. Spritz your hair regularly. So maybe you're one of those, I don't want to wash my hair every week. I don't want to wash my hair every month, whatever it is. But you should spritz your hair with water and oil mixture. And that way, your hair is getting the water it needs, and it will start to lock. And then third, it's approaching summertime, y'all. Y'all know you're not wearing no mask. You should. You know you're not social distancing. You should. Get in some water. Go to the beach. Get in some water, get in the pool, wherever. Douse yourself in the backyard. Get in the shower. Get in a bath. Just submerge your hair with water. The water once it dries, acts as a tightening agent, and it'll start to naturally lock your hair. I don't know what else I can say, but that is probably the easiest way you could get to lock your hair. Now, if you're in coils and you don't want to mess up your hair, if you have with braids or with 2-strand twists, it shouldn't be a problem to get your hair wet. But if you have coils, I get it. You don't know how to coil it back up. It might be a mess, whatever. I get it. Stocking cap. stocking cap, run the water over your hair. Use a stocking cap, use a pantyhose. You can even use something like this. This is pretty thin. Put it over your hair, get in the water, and then, squeeze. What I would do is the squeeze method. I will wash my hair, get it wet, and instead of going like this, I would just gently squeeze my hair, squeeze it. Rub the roots, just lightly rub the roots, and then squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And do that. Simple, okay? Those are my 3 ways of getting your hair to lock faster. So, until next time, stay wookie.